Hey guys, it's Jackie.
Hi, it's Melyssa.
And I'm the director for the Southeast for usastrongIO, and Melyssa is my daughter, and she's also the ambassador for North Carolina.
And Florida.
And Florida, that's right. And this is our cat, Stella, and our dog, Bella, is behind us.
Yes.
Say hi, Bella.
And we have wine.
And we have wine. Of course, I am doing the Panthers because that's my team. And if y'all follow me on Twitter, you know that. Take a sip, and we're gonna start unboxing. Alrighty. Let's get this
Where
going.
should we start?
I don't know. You have the, let's do that. This is Two Puggles, everybody. And they do handmade wood products. They do clocks and cute little, there's a, we got
Okay,
one of
gotcha.
these. I'm excited about these. Are you gonna help us, Bella? You gonna
There
help
we
us?
go. All right.
See what we got here.
It's a little.
Oh, it's in here.
Oh, it's in there.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's in here. Oh, how cute. Oh, and it says thank you. Look, it's got little doggies on it, and it says happy reading. Thanks. Oh, how cute. We like personalized stuff here. Just FYI, we love that everyone sends little cards or notes. It's amazing, and I've noticed a lot of our vendors do that. Oh, this is, oh, how cute. Look, it's a little cat. This is a bookmark right here. It's one of their, they have giraffes, I believe. They've got a Chihuahua. They've also got a cat.
That's
This is huge. This is a great stocking stuffer for Christmas. I'm a huge book reader. I love to read, and this is a great gift, a great stocking stuffer. And the price is like $8, and they're so cute. Oh, it's adorable.
Is this another one?
Yeah, I got two because we have a cat and a dog, and I read a lot of books. So I think this is the Chihuahua, and another card. How cute! Happy reading, I do. Yes, and this is, I got a Chihuahua because we have a Chihuahua, and it reminds me of my Bella. If y'all can see that. Isn't that cute? And they're perfect. They're perfect depth right there for your books. It's not like too bulky or anything like that. I love that. So cute, so cute. Oh,
That's cute.
I know. So what's the next one?
Adoretherapy.
Yes, now we've had Adora Therapy, like I said, since the beginning.
The very
beginning. They're like one of our first vendors from North Carolina, and they have amazing products. The smell is just amazing. I also have a mood booster from them, which I use quite often, and it's amazing. It smells so, ooh, love the packaging.
Adoretherapy. Roll on, breathe, and transform.
Let's get a little bit closer. I love all this personal attention. Don't you? I love that.
Oh, this is the Shakra collection.
Oh. And it says adore yourself. And it has like all their chakra collection on the back of the card, so. Oh, I love the packaging. How cute, look.
Wrapped all pretty.
How cute. You can open it. Are you enjoying that stuff? No. Our cat's playing. Our cat's playing with the little.
Oh, this is cute.
Oh, look.
I don't know if you can.
Yeah. So cute. Oh, I like that box. I need to save that for Christmas.
Yes.
We can save this for Christmas box.
Yes. Oh, okay. I saw
Yes,
these.
these are amazing.
It has like stones.
There's gems in them. Look at that. There's actual gems in them.
So pretty.
It's so pretty. And it's chakra, what does it say on the front?
Chakra 5.
Chakra 5. Let me smell it.
It smells good.
Oh my God. That smells amazing. There's just everything's so personal with these vendors. Who has gems in their candles? But I mean, that is so cool. I love this. That's amazing. Thanks to Adoretherapy, we love this. Y'all need to get one of these. Great Christmas gift, right, y'all?
Yeah, I can't wait to dig out those gems. Okay, so this is from the Peaceful Paw.
Oh, yes. This is our new vendor we got last week. Love them.
And it says,
oh,
your possum.
Yeah, I showed him my car. I love that. Look at their cute little look at this, y'all. Look how cute. Look at that.
This says, "Hi Jackie, thank you for your order and supporting local businesses on USA Strong. Please call and text with any questions. Welcome to the family, Lori." Thank you, Lori.
Lori, we love you. Talked to you quite a few times this week. You're amazing. We're so happy you're here. Oh my God, how cute is this? And it says dog products for your furry friend. And then it's got all the products in here. Oh wow, this is amazing. Look, it's even got one of those scanners on it. But look how cute they're packed. I mean, come on. How cute is that? And it has a little story. I love this. Amazing.
This is a calming aid.
Yes, and I got this
For you.
specifically.
Just kidding.
Did not just say that.
I was talking about my
Oh, the cat? No. This is for my son's dog. He is very high anxious. I'm going to try this. I'm really anxious to see how this works. It is a calming aid for dogs. I really, really, really wanted to get this for my son's dog because he shakes a lot. I'm not sure if you guys, hello Stella. He shakes a lot, and I'm not sure if you guys have any animals that, this is great for that. And these are all non-toxic. There's no chemicals in these. They're all natural. So we're really excited. I'm so excited to have this company, and they're the sweetest company. I'm just so blessed. Thanks, Lori. Shout out to Lori. Amazing, amazing.
And this is the...
Oh yeah, this is the Paw Bomb. I used this on my dog Bella, my little Chihuahua already. She's having little issues on her paws, and this has cleared it up. Amazing. And it, like I said, it's so, when you open it up, it's so soft. It feels like silk. I love them. Thanks, Lori. We love, love, love.
Okay, so this is Quintessential Candles, and is this the linen spray?
Yes.
So I ordered one of these, and when I tell you I'm gonna order it from now on, like,
Yes. The smell is literally to die for. To die for. Everything they have is amazing.
Okay.
I got my mom one. My mom bought a couple. I don't know. Like I can't even. And it lasts. And it just.
Oh, you got the earth one too.
Yeah, I got the earthy one. They've got opulence and they have spa time too.
This is my favorite, but it's the only
My
one
favorite's
I've smelled.
opulence, but yeah, I mean they all are. Not every 3 fragrance they have is just amazing. And this is like I think it's
so
less than
good.
$10 and it's free
It's
shipping.
$7.99, I think.
Yeah, and it's free shipping. Everything on our site is free shipping, and this is. I can't.
Yeah, and it'll make your whole room just smell so good.
And it's great to put on pillows.
I love it.
Yeah, we love it. We love you guys. Amazing, amazing. Love, love, love them.
So this is made by Kippen.
Made by Kippen. Yes, we just got them last week, and I'm so excited to open this up. They're all concrete products, home decor. They also have like, this really cool jewelry tray, which I love too.
That's what I need.
Yeah. Yes, you do. Good?
No. I'm trying.
Have a sip of wine while you do that. Cheers, everybody.
Okay.
Oh, how cute.
Oh, there's a little note.
And see?
Thank you so much for the order and support. I'm so Kippen.
Thanks, Kippen. You guys, this right here, these little personalized
that's cute.
messages are amazing. Oh, it comes with a little concrete heart. How cute is that? Oh, wow, that is neat.
And then a few tips on candle care. Just gives you some tips on how to use it.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I love that. See, this personalized stuff to me is just key. And you don't get that with that stuff you get from China or elsewhere. You don't get all this personalization. And that to me is worth it, worth every penny, and help our local businesses. Oh, look how cute
This
this
box
box.
comes in. It says made by Kippen.
So cute.
Oh, this is
Oh, yes. I knew it was going to be amazing. Look at that. Can you guys see that? That is amazing. Oh my God. Smell that.
yeah, it smells like Christmas.
It does. This is an amazing, all these are amazing Christmas gifts. I am in love with this. This is the marble one. They have different colors though, different schemes. Like I said, they have different decor. This is not, they just don't do candles. So I do love their, I need to get their jewelry tray. I need to get you that for Christmas. But I love this. This is amazing. Thanks, Kippen. God, I can't wait to light that.
Okay, so this is Bonnie Boardman, and I was requested about Bonnie. So I actually reached out to her a long time ago, and she's been on the site for a very long time, and I just love her jewelry. Like, it's just so good.
Yes. I'm excited. Oh, cute.
Little box.
Oh,
What's
see?
You got some rings with a little thank you card.
See?
that's
Oh,
a
I love it. These are the
that's
stacked.
Pretty.
Oh, I love it. It's just one of these like stackable rings. Oh, I want that. Look at that. And it fits perfect. I don't know if y'all can see that. Oh, I love that. I love Bonnie Boardman. They have the most beautiful stuff.
Yes, I need a pair of their earrings.
Oh, I love that. Amazing.
Okay.
Thanks, Bonnie.
What is
This is Crafter Studio. We just got them 2 weeks ago, I think.
Okay.
Amazing. They're so sweet too. Everyone's so sweet. I cannot say enough about our North Carolina vendors. This is why I'm telling you, this is why you need to shop local and support your local businesses and stuff like that. They need our help during this pandemic. And everything they do is like top notch. They are so personable and so
Sustainable.
Fun. Sustainable, exactly.
I got it.
Good job, Charlie.
I'm struggling.
This is how she still can give this baby.
Yeah.
I love that ring. So pretty.
You can help me. Yeah. Here. Enough of this.
You can cut
this
it.
sucker.
Do it up, girl.
There we go.
You are an absolute mess. Look. Oh my god. Y'all, look at that. Sorry with the light. I don't know if you can see it, but look at that. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Crafters Lounge. Wow. That's amazing. What a beautiful It's beautiful. Oh, MJ.
Oh, that's pretty.
Oh, wow. Look at that. I can't. This is
Oh,
amazing.
this is like a little.
It's a Lazy Susan. It's called
Okay.
a Lazy Susan and it spins. But y'all, look at this. Look at that. That is stunning.
Where do you? What's this?
Wow. I'm not sure, but look at that. It came with this. Look at this crystal. Look at that.
Still right there.
This actually is a gift from my mother for her birthday, and she saw this. I showed my mom this on the website, and she was like, I have to have that. She doesn't know I'm having it, so we're obviously going to wrap this, but she is going to die. This is amazing.
Yeah, it's really.
Isn't that
pretty.
gorgeous?
Yeah, I love it.
I think this is only $45 or $50, and like I said, free shipping. That is
Handmade.
handmade, y'all. If you can see the detail on this, it's amazing.
All of this handmade in the
Yes,
USA.
all USA made. We do not outsource. We do not want any products. Not beautiful package. Oh, my mom's gonna love this. Nana's gonna love this.
Is that all of the North Carolina?
Yeah, that's all North Carolina.
Okay, so that's all North Carolina made. So we ordered just a few things from other states. Can't discriminate.
Nope.
And this is from Paulo Grayson and Anthony. They've been on the site, I think, since the beginning of time too. I think they just have a bunch of candles. Pretty sure that's what I ordered. The candle.
As you can tell, me and my daughter are obsessed
Yeah.
with candles or any smell.
Can
We
never
love
have
it.
enough.
No, you cannot. I probably have a room full of candles if I could. See, here's
Oh,
another
that
one.
is such a long name. It says, Melyssa, thank you so much for your purchase. I threw an extra candle in here to make up for my long shipping. I genuinely apologize. Aw, my mother
Wow.
passed away, and I was home in Mississippi tending to my family. Then Hurricane Ida hit. It has been the perfect storm, no pun intended. Again, I apologize. Stay well.
Aw, that is. We're so sorry. We hope everything's okay.
I know.
Oh, that is. This, y'all, I can't.
Aww.
Oh, look at their packaging too.
So 2 candles.
Yes.
2 candles. Oh my goodness, that is
Look
so
at that.
cute.
Another cute gift. Y'all,
That
this
is
is why
so
it's
sweet.
worth it. This
Yes.
is why it's worth it. Because everything is just so hand done and just gorgeous. Like, oh,
Oh, that's honestly so sweet. Oh my gosh.
I know. Oh, candle. Oh, look how cute that is.
Oh, it smells good.
What is you guys? What do you guys put in these candles? Because I do not get this when I go to, like, if I went to another store. This is why I like shopping here.
All right.
These smells are, I mean, they're not what you get at the other stores. This is why I love getting everything from usastrongIO. They smell fantastic. What's that one?
This is what I ordered.
Oh,
So
okay.
it's called Sanctuary. It smells really good. Oh, that smells so good.
Another one. What is going on? Y'all are killing me.
Yeah, that smells
Our house is going to
amazing.
smell amazing.
Thank you.
Oh, wait, we got to
so
do one
much.
more. Wait, we got
There's 2 more.
we got 2 more. Okay. What is this? I can't. Let me.
Thank you, Paulo, for this sweet note. I'll cherish it forever. So that's from Goldfine.
God.
It says, thank you for shopping with us.
Oh my God, this is Goldfine. Y'all, this is so beautiful. This is on, it's a bracelet. I don't know if you can see it, but it is absolutely stunning. And it's so delicate. I think it was $25. It is, I love this.
Oh, that's really
We have
cute.
everything. Look, it came in this beautiful pouch with another personalized note. You guys are amazing. Amazing. Thank you so much.
Okay, so
This
this
one on in a
next
minute.
one is from a place called House of Ass. And it's
Yes, and when I saw that in the room, I said, what is that? But
yes.
it really is called House of Ass.
And it's a literal shop of
About
asses.
asses.
No, but look, it's a little magnet.
It's so cute.
And it's just like a little tush. Look at it.
A little
So
touch.
cute. It's really cute.
How cute is that?
And it was like, I
can't
think
have
it was
enough-
like $3. And that's cute for
Yeah.
like,
Yeah, just like,
if you're like a cheap girl in college in your dorm, put it on your little mini fridge. Or even, we'll put it on our fridge.
we'll put it in our fridge because we
And
like
they,
that.
Yes. They also sell like wall hangings that are just
So cute.
butts.
Y'all, this was just butts. But, here you go. Well, you guys, this was amazing, and we cannot thank you guys enough for sending all these. We are going to enjoy every bit of them. And we thank you. We just want to let you know, make sure you do shop local, especially right now during the pandemic. These businesses are hurting. They need our help. They need our money. They need our business. We don't want to give it to the other stores. Hello, Stella. We want to keep it here in America, and that is our goal. That's why we have usastrong.io. Just go ahead. You can click on our North Carolina license plate to get the ones that are North Carolina. But every state has a license plate. We support all of our states here, and we hope y'all do too. And we will do an unboxing video soon. Y'all have a great night, okay? Thank you.
Good night, you guys.
Bye.